Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. This small clip is about the honeybees which I made with the clay for today's DIY. So I thought why not to use it as a prop for my video, as if these bees are chatting, playing and standing in a queue and finding their way to their home. I hope you like it. Please do comment what you feel. Inspired by the nature, today's video is about planter. I am going to make two planters. Material used were wall putty powder in 3:1 ratio. 3 spoon of wall putty powder with 1 spoon of water. In my previous videos also I have shown how to make the dough. So with the same process, make a dough like this and spread it and roll it using rolling pin. You can use plastic sheet to avoid sticking the dough to the rolling pin. I am using 2 plastic containers like this for the planter. After rolling evenly, spread the dough to the plastic container and cut the excess clay. Smooth the dough with water. When the dough is spread evenly, paste custard seed to the dough. The fruit is shown in the right hand side and the seed is also shown. We generally used to throw these seeds. Why not to use in this way? For the next planter, following the same method, spreading the wall putty sheet to the plastic container. After that, I am using backside of the pencil to give hole. Let both the container dry for 8 hours. For the bees, here I am using air dry clay. Make 3 ball shapes, one small, another one little bigger than the previous one and last one is the biggest among the both. Shape it and press it in a flat surface as we have to stick this to the planter. Use aluminium wire to stick these 3 balls together. I made 11 bees. You can make as many as per your requirement. For the wing part, I cut the shape from the plastic bottle. Draw the shape in a paper and then trace it to the plastic sheet and cut it and insert it to the clay. All the bees are ready. Let it dry for 8 hours. After drying for 8 hours, our planters are ready for coloring. Here I am using red color for this planter. You can use any color. You can even give 3 colors like this and make a watermelon planter. For this planter, I am using 2 colors. First base coat with yellow ochre and then with lemon yellow. For the base, I use black and yellow color. For wings, you can even use permanent marker for this process. Stick the bees to the planter using Fevibond gum. You can even use wall putty paste for this process. In this planter, I give a coat of black color to the custard seed. Do share this video to your family and friend. By using easily available material and discarded material from our home, we can recreate and decorate our home with these beautiful decors. So I hope you like my video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you all for your valuable comments. Thank you for watching.